How to fix Ubisoft unable to launch game. So I'm gonna show you 3 fixes. The first one, you want to locate your Ubisoft Connect, right click on it, go to properties. Now from here we want to select the compatibility tab and we have to change some things. So first check this, run this program in compatibility mode 4 and you want to change it to Windows 7. The third thing that we need to select is this, disable full screen optimizations, as well as run this program as an administrator. So after you have selected these 3, we can click on apply and click on OK. If it still doesn't work for you, the second method that I suggest doing is right clicking on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Now from here we need to have Ubisoft Connect open, so just right click on it and select Expand, and you want to select the first one that uses the most megabytes. So right click on it and select Go to Details right here, and now it will show you a list of all of the details, and make sure you don't change the thing that it has selected. So the one that it was already highlighted, you want to right click on and you select set priority, hover over it and you select high. Don't do real time because it will prioritize this over mandatory Windows tasks, but high should be good enough, so just select high. Now if that doesn't work either, the last thing that I suggest doing is updating your GPU drivers. So depending on whether you're using AMD or NVIDIA, you want to go to your software for AMD or NVIDIA and you update your GPU drivers from within the app. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.